Hey everybody, this is Spencer with Wimmer's Sewing and Vacuum. So today I'm happy to bring you the unboxing of the new Baby Lock Solaris sewing and embroidery machine. We're really excited about this machine. It has some amazing features. We've got a store here in Layton, Utah and one in Ogden, Utah. And we're going to be doing a Meet Solaris free event coming up in early September. So check the links out below and sign up for those events. If you're one of the first 100 people to sign up for those events, you'll receive a free $700 gift. So hurry and sign up. Space will fill up pretty quick. But stay tuned for the unboxing. We're really excited for this. So here we go with the unboxing of the brand new Baby Lock Solaris sewing machine. In true Baby Lock fashion, this is a big box. There's a lot in here. They're very generous with all of the accessories they give you with their sewing and embroidery machines. They package it so big so that it's well packaged and transports easily and well. But there's basically three parts of what's in here. So first off, this box has your accessories and different components in it. Your scanning bed. There's a telescoping thread stand. It's kind of cool how that works. So we also have a straight stitch needle plate. This is something that I haven't seen Baby Lock do before, so that's kind of exciting to see them include that. You've got compartments there for all your feet and accessories, and they clip into the storage tray so they don't fall out. We also have the digital dual feed walking foot is included with it as well. So underneath that Notions and accessory box is the box that has the sewing machine itself, and then inside here this box has the embroidery unit. We'll open that first. Okay, these are the new amazing hoops. This is the largest hoop in the industry. And there's the new embroidery unit. So that's what comes with the embroidery unit part. And last but not least, we get into the sewing machine. Inside of here, you've got your foot control and your accessory storage tray. That's a beautiful machine. So now that we've got everything out, I'm going to take a second and set it all up like you would be using it, and then we'll get a shot of everything with it. Okay, so we've got it all set up now. Now we're going to turn it on for the first time. So as it turns on, it's going to boot up here, get everything going. And then I love the lighting that comes on here. It's so bright. Shows off the fabric underneath here really well. We've got about 13 inches of space, which is bigger than any other machine we've got. We'll touch the screen to wake it up. Then it's going to engage the embroidery unit. So it's going to calibrate and move that embroidery arm. It takes just a second to do that. Gets it ready to be in embroidery mode. So here you can see we can do sewing, embroidery, or go into our IQ designer. At the event, we'll show you a lot of the other things that this machine can do. So don't forget to register for the events that we have coming up in a few weeks. Just remember, you'll get a free $700 gift for signing up if you're one of the first 100 people. For those of you who watched this video, I appreciate you. We're going to show off one of the features that sets this machine apart, different from any other machine out there. We've got the lights turned off, so the main thing I think that sets the Baby Lock Solaris apart is the IQ Visionary technology, where it will project your embroidery design or your sewing stitch down onto your fabric. But there's a little button here I push that turns on the projector, and I've got a little owl embroidery selected, and it shines down on my embroidery hoop exactly where the embroidery is going to sew out. It's a lot brighter than I had anticipated it being, so I'm really excited about this feature. It's going to make embroidery placement a lot easier. Come again, check out the event. You'll learn about all the other cool things it does, and we'll talk to you later.